We're going to explain how to save your game in Citra MMJ, the popular Nintendo 3 emulator. 1. First, make sure you're actually in-game. You won't be able to save if you're on the Citra main menu. 2. Now, within the game itself, look for the in-game save menu. This is usually accessed through the Start menu button, or sometimes by pressing a specific button combination. Check your game's manual if you're unsure. It might be labeled Save, Options, Menu, or something similar. 3. Once you're in the in-game save menu, select the save option. You might have multiple save slots available. Choose one that's empty or one you want to overwrite. 4. The game will then save your progress. You'll usually see a confirmation message on the screen. 5. To save in Citra itself, outside of the game's internal save system, you need to utilize Citra's state saving feature. This saves a snapshot of the emulator's current state, effectively a point in time to resume the game from. It's separate from the in-game save slots. 6. To access Citra's state saving, locate the File menu at the top of the Citra emulator window, usually found in the upper left corner. 7. In the File menu, you'll see several options related to saving. Save State will save your current progress as a state file. Load State will allow you to resume from a previously saved state. Manage Save States lets you organize and rename your saved states. 8. When you select Save State, Citra will create a save state file. By default, these files are stored within a directory specific to the game you are playing, usually located in the Citra save directory. You can usually find the location of this directory in the Citra settings. 9. Remember, Citra save states are distinct from the in-game saves. In-game saves are managed by the game itself and are often stored in a different location, often within the game's ROM or SD card folder within the emulator directory. 10. Always make sure to back up your game saves regularly, whether they are in-game saves or Citra save states, to avoid data loss. You can do this by copying the save files to a different location on your computer. This precaution will safeguard your progress if something goes wrong. 11. Lastly, ensure that the game you're playing even supports saving. Some ROM hacks or homebrew titles might lack a proper save function. If you encounter issues with saving, double-check the game itself and your emulator configuration.